Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Hi my fellow June bugs, thank you so much for joining me again in this video. Today is day 10 of our 12 days of Collectionmas. We are nearly there, just a couple more days to go. And again, this video is totally inspired by Meredith, so please go check her out in the info bar below. I thought I'd go a little bit sparkly today, and that's why I've got the headband and the very sparkly earrings, a little nod to a winter wonderland, which we absolutely do not have here in Australia. But it is going to be a short video today because I am bringing to you guys my Hermes handbag collection, and I don't have a lot obviously because Hermes bags are very expensive, but I do have a couple and I do actually have a reveal to share with you. So if you are new here, hi, welcome. My name is June. I'm a doctor by day, but I do make YouTube videos in my spare time. I love handbags, especially vintage and pre-loved, and getting them for a good deal. So if that is your cup of tea, do make sure you subscribe and join my little YouTube channel here. And if you haven't already, I will put my Instagram in somewhere here so you can go and check me out. That is where I will be posting these bags and styling these bags, so if you want to see them in action, please go ahead and follow me there. So I'm bringing to you guys my Hermes handbag collection because there's only a handful. I can actually talk a little bit more, and also hopefully this video isn't so long. I know quite a few videos have been pretty long, and that's why I've had to do it in so many parts, and also that's why it's taken me so long to film this video. So Hermes handbags, I do have a handful, and I've actually revealed them all to you guys in a separate video. If you want to see those videos, I will put the playlist in the info bar. It was under my February unboxing favorites, but I will start off with the first one. The first Hermes bag that I actually got is this Birkin right here. This is the Hermes Birkin in the size 30. This is in the color Etoupe with Swift leather and palladium hardware. I love this bag. To this day, I do not regret the colorway that I got it in, but at the time 30 was actually the most popular size. That's why I got it in the 30, but I now know that I'm truly a Birkin 25 girl. The 30s is quite big. You wouldn't have thought so because, you know, I was toting around a size 30 Speedy for a long time, but yeah, the 30 is just quite a big bag. It's definitely a day bag. It's not a bag that you could take for nighttime, and I do have it in the Swift leather, which means it's quite light. So although I don't love the size too much, because it's in a Swift leather, it's actually quite light to carry, and I really do need to bring this out more. Etoupe is the most perfect neutral grey. Sometimes it leans brown, sometimes it leans grey, so it's really just like a little chameleon in terms of the color. And with the silver hardware, it does make it a bit more cool tone, which I really like, but also like this in the gold hardware. I've always thought if I could get the opportunity to get this in the taupe with gold hardware in a Birkin 25, I would definitely snap it up. I do believe that this is from 2008. This is with the L square stamping. I definitely need to wear her out more. I don't actually have a handbag organizer for any of these. I still need to get one, but I just use them so infrequently that I haven't felt like the need to get one super quickly. So this is her all closed up, looking pretty formal. Now the story of this one, I bought this actually in 2017, which is so long ago now, and I actually bought it for myself for my 30th birthday. That's actually why I got it in the size 30, because Hermes Birkin size 30 for my 30th birthday, and I bought it for myself in anticipation to finishing up all of my GP exams. So yeah, this is her. I got her for a pretty good price actually. If you want to know more details about how much I purchased these bags, I do go into it in my previous unboxing video, so I will link them in the info bar below. But that is the Hermes Birkin size 30 in the taupe Swift leather with ruthenium hardware, and I just really love the white stitching on this. It's so beautiful. Let me just show you what it looks like on me. But yeah, that is her. The bag I got after that is actually this one. This is the Hermes Kelly in a size 28 Return, and this is actually in Gulliver leather, which is a much older version of the Swift leather. This is in like a really rich chestnut brown, and it looks absolutely stunning with the gold hardware there. I also need to wear this one out more. The gold on this is Absolutely stunning. Now this one I think is 1999. Oh, 2000. So this is actually from the year 2000. So it does come with the hooks there, and it does come with a hook attachment. Now this is quite a slouchy bag. A lot of people like to wear them open. This one I would really hesitate to wear quite open. This is how this would look like if I wore it open. So very slouchy. The size 28 was sort of the smallest size I thought to get. Before I bought my Birkin, I actually felt like the Kelly was more my style bag, and in fact the Birkin 30 was not my first Hermes bag. I actually bought a Hermes Kelly size 28 in Rouge H in the Cellier in the box calf leather. That one I got from a Japanese consignment seller, and I like in the Cellier, this bag actually feels so much bigger and bulkier, and the box leather is so fragile. It had scratches on it, and I just, like, for the price that I paid, I couldn't believe like the condition. So I actually returned that one and just was put off by the Kelly. I just felt like maybe it wasn't for me, but then I kept seeing the return. It looks more slouchy and sort of more casual, and that is what I like in a bag. I do really like casual bags because I dress pretty casually most of the time. And so this is what I found and picked up. I will say the size 28 still feels pretty big in the return. I think I definitely would add a 25 if I was going to add another one in my collection, but I just don't know if the Kelly is for me. Maybe I just need to go for a smaller size and a bit more boxy. Like, I think if maybe it's boxy and smaller, that would work better. And I would love to get a Hermes Kelly size 25 in Cellier in like a stiff leather, like even Epsom or Togo, but something a bit more structured in a smaller size and in like a grey color, like a tan color. But anyways, this is my Kelly 28. That is her. And then the next bag that I wanted to share is this gorgeous beauty. This is one of my absolute favorite bags. It is absolutely stunning. This is the Birkin 25, and this is in the Bordeaux Swift leather with the gold hardware. Absolutely gorgeous. And this is in Bordeaux, so not Rouge H. It's a bit more purpley in color. It's like more of a burgundy color, and in different lights it looks purple, other lights it looks quite light. This is like such a me color. Like, this is my favorite color. The size of this is so cute. It is quite dark, so this is definitely a bag that I feel like you would wear more during winter, autumn, but I am also trying to wear her out a bit more during spring and summer, just pairing with like lighter colors like pinks and trying to use her as a neutral. And this one I think I bought in 2021. I don't remember how old I was turning, but it was definitely a big present to myself. And this is actually the most expensive bag in my collection. I can't actually tell you how much it cost because it would upset my dad if he was watching this, but yes, this is the Hermes Birkin 25, and I love her so much. As you can see, I don't really put any twillies on my bags. I'm not really a twilly kind of girl or even a charms kind of girl. I think I just love them plain like this. If I ever get into it, maybe I'll add one just for a bit of color, but right now I'm not really super into charms. And finally, you guys, I have my Hermes reveal. This, I kind of wanted to add this one because I really wanted a more summery bag, so here we go. I don't know if you guys can guess what it is. Let's open up the bag. You can probably tell what the bag actually is. Now again, this I did purchase pre-loved because I just do not have the Hermes history. I kind of just like want to buy the bags without having to buy other things that I don't want. It comes in this dust bag. Are you guys ready to reveal? This is the gorgeous Hermes Birkin size 25 in the orange H color, in the Togo leather with the gold hardware. Isn't she stunning? Now, I added this one because as much as I loved this bag, I did feel like it was quite dark and more suited for winter, autumn, and I also did get a little bit nervous with the Swift leather, and all my bags are in Swift. I love Swift leather. It's a beautiful, luxurious feeling leather, but I really wanted a Birkin that I could wear more regularly, more often, and that's why I went with this Togo. And of course I picked the orange. You guys have heard me talk about this already. I love an orange bag, and an Hermes orange Birkin, like how much more classic can it get? So of course I saw this one and had to jump on it. I will say the condition of this is definitely not as good as my Bordeaux Birkin 25. This is definitely a bit more worn. This is older. This is from 2005, and the leather on this is a little bit dry. You can't really tell, and the hot stamping on this one is just a little bit more difficult to see. It's faded a bit more, but honestly that doesn't bother me, and I'm so excited to just wear her around like this. I think this is just a gorgeous pop of color. Comes with the clochette and the keys. What do we do with the keys? I don't even know. Like, do people even put the clochette on it anymore? I don't know. But yeah, so that is my latest handbag edition, and I really do want to wear this one out a bit more. Plan for this to be sort of like a bag that I can wear more regularly because it is in the Togo, and as I mentioned, I find orange to be a color that I can wear all year round. So that is it, you guys. Those are my Hermes additions to my collection. I think I've got some really gorgeous colors here. I definitely want to add like an Hermes Kelly in a size 25 in a Cellier in a neutral color, because I do think a Kelly 25 in a Cellier I would find easier to style and would work with my style a bit more. And the Birkin 25 is of course like my favorite silhouette from Hermes. I also wouldn't mind adding a Constance 18 in some sort of color, but these bags are sort of a slow trickle. I kind of just have to take it easy with these Hermes bags because they aren't cheap, so you really want to think about it. And there is also another Hermes bag that I have my eye on that I may purchase myself for my 35th birthday. That to me is a big one. So keep an eye out. I may or may not be adding more, but let me know what you guys think of my little Hermes collection. Which one is your favorite? I know it's not as many as my others and not as long, but that might not be a bad thing. But yeah, obviously these are much more expensive, so these 4 bags are probably the same price as like some of my other collections. Nonetheless, I hope you guys still enjoyed this video and enjoyed my little reveal. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe if you haven't already, and of course check out my Instagram. That's where I'll be posting videos on wearing and styling this bag. As always, you guys, hope you're having a wonderful week or weekend, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye.